Hello, in this JavaScript video, I am going to show you the Boolean object. So this is a really easy one. Normally, you create a Boolean variable like this. I don't know where the LM came from. Is Lamar doing something? The var1 equals false, or true. So that's how you create, regular Boolean variable. A Boolean object, I call it bool obj. Obj is short for object. Equals new Boolean. Remember, you need the keyword new and then the actual object you're creating. Then an initial value, so false. And let's do console.log. Let's log out var1. Let's log out bool obj. Let's see what we get. So we get false for the var1 because that's all it contains. Whereas for the Boolean object, it prints out false, but it's a little more to it because the way objects work, they have properties and they have functionality that goes beyond the data itself, and you can use that to manipulate it. So if I did bool obj.toStrings, this is one of the methods that it has. If I reload that, we get false. As you can see, it's a slightly different color because it's a string compared to the other one. You can get another thing that you can get is value of. And if I reload, that actually gets the true value. As you can see, it's the same color now, and that's the Boolean value. Same if it's true or false. So that's a Boolean object. There's actually a few different ways to actually create one. You could put false in there, you could put 0, you could put null, and obviously positive it's essentially the opposite. What I'm actually going to do is provide a really great link from the MDN, which is Mozilla Developer Network, and that has a huge amount of resources, not just for Boolean objects, but a variety of other features as well. And check that out. Experiment with the different ways of creating Boolean objects, and honestly, MDN is one of the best resources if you are a web developer or just interested in JavaScript. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to put me a message, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.